humanoid robots are increasingly stepping into factories, offices, and even our homes. The big question is, will they primarily assist or ultimately replace us in various roles? Leading companies like Tesla, Figure AI, and Boston Dynamics are diligently building AI robots. These remarkable machines can walk, lift objects, and even engage in conversations. Figure AI has garnered billions in investment, reflecting the belief robots will be part of life. Robots could fill critical labor shortages and take on dangerous jobs, thereby improving safety. However, there's potential for job loss, complex ethical challenges, and over-reliance on machines. Experts predict the robot industry could experience substantial growth, reaching $100 billion. The potential benefits are huge, but so are the concerns and potential pitfalls. What do you think? Would you welcome a robot? Share your thoughts and subscribe for more updates.